See, for me, Pulkit in personal life and Pulkit in professional life are two very different people. For me, he is just like every other co-star that I work with. Uh, and I think what I love about our relationship is the same. He treats the situation exactly the same way. For him, I was like every other co-star on set.
Hi everyone, welcome to peepingmoon.com. I'm Rashita Sahni and today we have a super special guest with us, welcoming Kriti Kharbanda for her next film, Tesh. Hi Kriti, how are you?
Hi, I'm good. How are you?
I'm good too. Just waiting for the film on 29th October.
Ah, thank you. Thank you so much.
Welcome. So, Kriti, firstly, tell me, I watched the trailer and it was amazing. There was so much buzz about it, after it, and of course, before it. Tell me something, what prompted you the most to do the film?
The script. It excited me beyond words. When I first heard the script, I didn't know which character I was being approached for. So I think that made all the difference because when I heard the script, especially when you're doing a multi-starrer, it is very important to see the script as a whole and not just judge it on the basis of your role in it, which is why a lot of actors, I guess, don't end up doing multi-starrers. And this is an approach also that I've learned with research. It's not something that I was born with. A lot of people tell you that especially when you're being approached for a film that has a star cast which is big, it is very important to take a step back and think beyond yourself. And I think that's what prompted me because irrespective of not knowing which character I was approached for, I wanted to be a part of this world that Bijoy Nambiar had created. And of course, Bijoy Nambiar being the director was definitely one of the highlights.
Okay. And tell me something about your character, Arfa Khan, if I'm pronouncing it correctly.
Yes,
Uh,
that's right.
yeah, because she looks really innocent, but there is some, she also looks mysterious. I don't know why. So, please tell me something about.
Ah, we're so glad to hear that. I know that Bijoy will be because that's exactly what we've been trying to achieve.
Oh.
And just with the trailer and just with the teaser, a lot of people have caught on to the fact that there is something there. It is not all black and white and it is not as good as it looks. And I think that's what excited me the most about playing Arfa Khan, that she had so many layers to her. If I have to describe Arfa in two words, I think she would be the perfect blend of strength and vulnerability. Uh, she's got that in her. There is something about her which tells you that she will care about you more than she will care for her life, but don't mess with her. She's the wrong girl to mess with. I think that's exactly what we try to achieve with Arfa Khan. And thank you for the way you put it forward because it really helps us know that we've done some justice to what Bijoy wanted.
Definitely.
And that is exactly who Arfa is. A little bit about her would be I play an orthopedic surgeon. I play a Pakistani Muslim. I am a doctor by profession. I belong to a broken family. I was born and brought up in the UK. These were things that were told to me by the director और फिर मैंने उनका बहुत सिर खाया क्योंकि मेरे 1000 questions शुरू हो गए थे about Arfa Khan because that I think all my directors have one complaint कि ये सवाल बहुत पूछती है, but that is my process as an actor where I need to know what she did, how she got here. I think for me, if I want to take someone's journey forward, I need to know how they got to that point. So
Yeah.
those are always questions that you have. But Arfa is someone you will respect and you will admire and you will appreciate and you will be afraid of her. Let me put it that way. She's a woman of strength. She is that woman you can't take for granted. She will allow you to be yourself, but not at the expense of her own emotions and not at the expense of her self-respect. So that's something about Arfa Khan.
Okay. Yeah, I think the way you have explained it also, it's really exciting to even hear about her. So also tell me, how was it working with Bijoy? As you mentioned that his name is itself, in itself a big thing. So did you follow his vision completely or your approach is always a little different?
I followed his vision 100% for Arfa Khan, to be honest. For me, when you're doing a story that revolves only around you, then you can bring a certain nuance to your character from your end. But when there are so many other characters in the film that are dependent on your acting abilities and your approach to your character, क्योंकि जिस तरीके से मैं approach करूंगी दूसरे बंदे की performance उससे affect हो सकती है. They don't even have to be in the scene with me. So I think that was the most important thing, that when you're doing a film in an ensemble, the director knows what he has shot with another actor, and you don't know what he has shot with the other actor. So you have to blindly trust the director and go with his vision 100%, क्योंकि वो कुछ सोच समझ के ही बोल रहे हैं आपको. So this is one of those films I normally always bring a little bit of me to the table when I play a character, which I did by asking my 1000 questions. अब उसकी body language, उसका approach, उसका dialect, वो सब तो मेरे ही हाथ में है. But as far as Arfa goes and the way she treats a situation and the way she reacts to a situation, I followed everything that Bijoy asked me to. And I'm glad I did. But outside of that, on a personal level, I worked on her where I built a backstory in my head, and I felt like I aged with that character. And I got to where she was when I got on set day one. So that is what I brought to the table. But everything else, I just blindly followed what my director asked me to do. And I'm not complaining.
Okay. And how was it working with Pulkit? Because I think a lot of people, after watching the trailer, they were like, okay, she's paired opposite Jim. And of course, we previously only. But these really cute collages of people taking your and Pulkit stills and combining them. So, how was it sharing not the screen space? Of course, you shared the screen space, but of course, working with him overall.
See, for me, Pulkit in personal life and Pulkit in professional life are two very different people. For me, he is just like every other co-star that I work with. Uh, and I think what I love about our relationship is the same. He treats the situation exactly the same way. For him, I was like every other co-star on set. And that's all that matters at the end of the day. He's very professional. He's very easy to work with. I've worked with him in the past, so I can say this with a lot of confidence. I worked with him in TEF, so I can say this again with a lot of confidence, that he is extremely professional. He loves his work more than anything else in the world. I didn't know what I wanted to do with my life when I even became an actor. And वो ऐसा इंसान है जिसको 4 साल की उम्र में पता था कि मुझे हीरो ही बनना है. So, his passion, his drive to his job is very different from my drive and my passion towards my job. And we eat off of each other's good energies. So I think, irrespective of us being in a relationship, I can very proudly say that he's a great co-star, and that makes me feel very, very good. Having said that, everyone else on set had been, Jim was telling me, Jim actually mentioned a couple of days ago. So he was like, "Oh, y'all are a couple. I don't know how it'll be," things like that. But I think both of us are people who like feeding people. So we would make sure that, this is something that I learned from Pulkit. He's always very like, khana khilao sabko set pe. So from Bijoy to, Gopika, who did our costumes, to Jim, to Harsh, to Sanjida, we all would just sit together and have a meal together and just break that ice. And that started happening from day one. So life became a lot simpler when your co-actors are so respectful of your relationship, but at the same time they know they can be comfortable and they don't have to like walk on eggshells around either one of us. I think it makes life simpler for everybody. So I'm very grateful that we're both those kind of people, and I loved working with him. And it was actually, it didn't feel odd that I wasn't romancing him on screen, very honestly. It didn't feel odd at all for either one of us. So, farak hi nahi pada hame.
That's great. And as you rightly mentioned, Jim actually spoke about this, that Pulkit and Kriti on set, they balanced really well, and it, didn't feel, as you said. So was it a conscious decision, or did it just come naturally? As you mentioned that you all are like that only.
आप हमारे किसी भी सेट से फोन करके पूछ लो, as individuals or a couple, they will tell you the same thing. I've always been this person where, see, I find it really hard to break the ice with someone. And that is something that I've consciously changed about myself over a period of time, because I belong to an industry where it is important to socialize and get to know each other. You can't just randomly go into a set and start romancing someone without at least saying hi and breaking the ice a little bit, right? So I started doing that very consciously a few years ago. Maybe the first couple of years of my career I didn't do it, but after that I made a conscious decision. और पुलकित तो हमेशा से ही ऐसा रहा है, वो वैन में बैठ ही नहीं सकता. He loves having people around him. He loves chilling with people. He loves eating with people. उसको अकेले खाना खाने का समझ ही नहीं आता concept. So I think we're both those people, and this is how Pulkit and I broke the ice. You know, when we were shooting our first film together, we became like, we weren't friends. We never even exchanged numbers. We didn't even know that we would meet after this, not meet after this. But he would always make sure that he would respect, like my entire team was an all girls team. So he would make sure that we feel protected. He would constantly, like, because we were shooting in Delhi, वो अपना घर का खाना मेरी van में भी भेजता था. And for everybody who was sitting with me, for the director, dibba aata tha. So those are things that I know he's always done, be it on any set. And he keeps telling me that's probably because of he started off in Fukre as, you know, them being an ensemble. So he's saying, मुझे आदत थी to work in an ensemble and I enjoy working, and this is how we worked and I want to continue. So yeah, I'm speaking on his behalf also because I know these things. But we've both been these people, yeah, always. And it's very important to separate your personal and professional life. Otherwise, one of them will collapse. One of them will definitely collapse if you're not careful about it.
True, true. Yeah. And tell me something about these ensemble cast. Both your films, Houseful and Pagalpandi, that released last year, both of them were multi-starrers, and even Tesh is one. So what is it? Do you also, like Pulkit, enjoy working in multi-starrers?
I enjoy working in good films, very honestly. आप ना solo heroine हो सकते हो एक movie के, ठीक है, एक hero एक heroine, the film is riding on you. पर अगर आपको माहौल नहीं पसंद या आपको script actually नहीं पसंद है या आपने फिर भी कर लिया, आपको मजा नहीं आ रहा, you will not enjoy it. The same way you can be surrounded by 100 people, but if you don't enjoy the vibe, you will not enjoy an ensemble also. So the reason is not कि एक बंदा है या emphasis किस पे ज्यादा है. It's the vibe you attract, or it's the vibe another person gives you. So I can be all alone on a set and still have a great time, and I can be with 100 people on a set and still say कि मुझे मजा नहीं आ रहा. So no, it's not anything conscious. It's just that you enjoy films or you don't enjoy films. You enjoy your work or you don't enjoy your work.
Okay. And what about leaving an impact? Does it ever, because of course, the previous multi-starrers that I just talked about, you left an impact with your character, with your role. But before signing, you don't know how the film's gonna do, what is going to happen. Is there ever a fear of, getting lost?
एक बार maybe when I signed Houseful, it was my first multi-starrer, and जितनी एक्साइटमेंट थी उतना वो भी लग रहा था, थोड़ा एक डर भी लग रहा था कि यार व्हाट इफ यू गेट लॉस्ट इन द क्राउड था. मैं झूठ नहीं बोलूंगी, बट फ्रॉम डे वन ऑन सेट व्हेन you grow, suddenly there comes this moment when you suddenly grow out of it and you realize कि यार no one can be Kriti Kharbanda. You have that moment of realization where you realize that even in a multi-starrer, they have chosen you. Because what you bring to the table, nobody else can bring. अगर ये कोई भी कर सकता, फिर वो किसी को भी cast कर लेते. So I think it was that one day that I must have felt this 1 or 2 days when I joined Houseful, because it was my first ensemble film. I was trying to figure out whether I'll fit in, not fit in. And then Satya Vachan mile on Instagram via a meme which said, why do you try to fit in when you were born to stand out? And that changed my life. सही time पे वो meme आ गया था मेरी life में. तो उसके बाद से सब ठीक हो गया, उसके बाद टेंशन नहीं हुई. उसके बाद I see if the character I'm playing is impactful in the script or not. Like I mentioned before, Tesh is not defined in terms of hero and heroine. There is no definition. Everyone is equally important. क्योंकि अगर जिम ठीक नहीं अच्छा नहीं करेगा या जिम का रोल अच्छा नहीं है तो मेरा रोल शाइन ही नहीं कर सकता. We're all taking each other's energies, we're performing off of each other's energies, so we have to be the best versions of ourselves.
Definitely.
An insecure actor will show, वो दिख जाएगा स्क्रीन पे, तो वो आपको कॉन्शियसली फाइट करना होता है. इट्स नॉट इजी, दैट बैटल इज नॉट इजी, बट आई एम ग्लैड आई फॉट इट. आई एम ग्लैड दैट आई ओवरकेम इट, एंड आई हैव had my set of films where I've been the center of attention, but if I can leave an impact and people can come out of a Houseful and say, that Rajkumari Meena was so fun. Like I remember Houseful के time पे, जिसको अब actually 1 साल हो, कब होगा? It's going to be 1 year to Houseful tomorrow or day after, I think. So, I remember when the film release, reviews came out, and people started, obviously, there was this whole contest that we were running. And there was a dialogue in the film that I said, मैं अबला हूँ, तबला नहीं. And I know the number of people went berserk on, social media platforms and things like that. They started performing them, and I tagged them in those posts. And I saw कि यार impact तो छोड़ा है, चाहे 2 लाइनें बोल ली, लेकिन अच्छी बोली. Same thing, I think for me, the biggest realization was with Karma. When I did a 10-minute role in a film that was 2 hours long, and there were people who still stood up and took notice of me, तो कुछ तो बात होगी. तो खुद को वो credit देना बहुत जरूरी होता है.
Yeah, agreed, definitely. And Kriti, what about making your own space? Now we all know that you have also, of course, had your own share of struggles and ups and downs. And now you are in a position where you are doing great work, great scripts. So how tough was it to make your own stand and, say and space in this industry?
I think I'm still finding my space. I'm still doing all of that. But I think my point of view may be a little different from yours. For me, every step of the way has been growth. I don't see it as a struggle. It has never been a struggle. I've had my difficulties, yaar. I'm sure आपकी life में आपके struggles होंगे. लेकिन when we overcome them, we have to look at it as growth. Otherwise, वो struggle ही बन के रह जाएगा. वो एक negative memory बन के रह जाएगी.
Yeah.
I can, when a film doesn't do well, you can either say कि shit मेरी किस्मत खराब है, or you can laugh it off and say अगले साल फाड़ देंगे.
Yeah.
तो मेरा attitude वो रहता है कि मैं अगले साल फाड़ लूंगी यार, कोई stress नहीं.
That's so good. So positive, actually. Yeah.
Trying. It's a very conscious thing. I never used to be this person. I've developed this over a period of few years. I think, which is why I promote it so much, where I say you'll attract the energy you give. Please be positive. कोई मेरे सामने कुछ negative बोलता भी है ना, तो मैं उनको बस देख के बोलती हूँ I feel sorry for you यार, मत बोल. तू ना चाहते हुए भी वो energy attract करोगे आप.
And 29th October, it's your birthday, and the film is also releasing. Double excitement. What is it like for you?
I'm very excited. I am extremely thrilled. मुझे ना वो स्कूल वाली फीलिंग आ रही है जब आप कलर ड्रेस पहन के जाते हो ना स्वीट्स डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करने.
Yeah.
जब आप यूनिफॉर्म में नहीं होते हो. For me, I think I'm so thrilled. I can't explain it. मुझे वो स्कूल वाली genuine feeling आ रही है अंदर से. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि हाँ, I'm feeling like the center of attention. I love it.
Okay. Thank you so much, Kriti. It was fun chatting with you, and it was so positive as well. Waiting to watch the film and your performance. All the very
Thank you. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed. But do tell me what you think of it.
Definitely.